While everyone has been losing their minds over humanoid robots that can run and kick, Boston Dynamics just proved why Atlas is the only one that actually matters. Look, the humanoid robot race has become a circus. Companies are pumping out demos of robots doing basic tasks in perfectly controlled environments, calling it revolutionary, but here's the brutal truth that nobody wants to admit. Most of these machines can't handle real-world chaos. They stumble over uneven ground, they need perfect lighting. They can't adapt when something unexpected happens. And worst of all, when they break down, which they do constantly, you're looking at weeks of downtime and repair costs that would make your accountant cry. Atlas is different, and I'm going to show you exactly why this matters for the actual future of robotics, not the fantasy version we see in press releases. Let us start with what practical utility actually means, because this term gets thrown around like confetti at a parade. A robot has practical utility when it can do real work in real conditions without a team of engineers babysitting it. Atlas just demonstrated something that should terrify every other robotics company. It autonomously sorted engine covers in a factory environment. But here's what makes this insane. It wasn't following a pre-programmed path like some oversized Roomba. It was using machine learning to identify parts, assess their orientation, figure out where they needed to go, and adapt its strategy on the fly when things didn't go according to plan. When an engine cover wasn't where it expected, Atlas didn't freeze up or call for help. It searched for it, found it, picked it up from an awkward angle, and kept working. This is the difference between a tech demo and a tool you can actually deploy. Every other humanoid robot on the market right now needs structured environments. They need marked floors, consistent lighting, objects placed in predetermined locations. Atlas is operating in the mess of reality, and that changes everything. Now, let's talk about what advanced capabilities really mean, because we've been conditioned to think fancy backflips equal advanced robotics. Wrong. Atlas can rotate its torso 180 degrees independently of its legs. Stop and think about what this enables. While other humanoid robots have to waste time turning their entire body to change direction, Atlas can grab something behind it, twist and place it in front without moving its feet. This isn't just cool, it's a massive efficiency gain in industrial applications. The difference between completing a task in 30 seconds versus 2 minutes compounds across thousands of operations. Atlas also has adaptive manipulation that goes beyond anything we've seen in commercial humanoid robots. It's not just programmed with fixed grip patterns. It analyzes the object, considers its weight distribution, surface texture, and required handling force, then adjusts in real time. When it picked up those engine covers, some were oriented correctly, some were upside down, some were at odd angles. Atlas handled all of them without any human intervention to reprogram or adjust settings. The machine learning pipeline Boston Dynamics built allows Atlas to improve its performance over time. It's actually getting better at tasks through experience, not through manual software updates. Here's something nobody's talking about that's going to determine who wins the humanoid robot race. Modularity and maintenance. You know what happens when a humanoid robot breaks down in a factory right now? Production stops. The robot gets shipped back to the manufacturer, or a specialized technician flies out, which costs a fortune. Downtime in industrial operations isn't just inconvenient, it's financially devastating. A single day of stopped production can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Boston Dynamics designed Atlas with swappable components from the ground up. The actuators, the sensors, the computer modules, they're built to be field replaceable. A maintenance worker with basic training can swap out a failed component in minutes, not days. This is the difference between a robot that's a liability and one that's an asset. And because Boston Dynamics has been building advanced robots for over 3 decades, they have the supply chain, the documentation, the training programs already established. When you deploy Atlas, you're not just buying a robot, you're buying into a support ecosystem that actually exists and functions. Compare this to startups that are still figuring out how to manufacture their robots at scale, let alone support them in the field. They're promising maintenance capabilities they haven't even developed yet. But the real reason Atlas is the only humanoid robot that matters comes down to industrial scale, and this is where things get serious. Boston Dynamics isn't a startup trying to figure out manufacturing while simultaneously developing technology. They've been building sophisticated robots for decades. They know how to go from prototype to production. They understand supply chains, quality control, certification processes. When Atlas moves from limited deployment to mass production, and it will, Boston Dynamics has the infrastructure to support it. They're not going to hit manufacturing bottlenecks or quality issues that plague younger companies. More importantly, they're working with Hyundai, which gives them access to automotive-scale manufacturing expertise and facilities. This partnership isn't just about funding. It's about leveraging one of the world's most sophisticated manufacturing operations. While other humanoid robot companies are celebrating getting their first 10 units out the door, Boston Dynamics is positioned to ship thousands. And in industrial automation, scale is everything. Companies aren't going to redesign their factories around robots that might not be available in sufficient quantities or might not have parts support in 2 years. Here's what this all means for the immediate future. We're about to see a massive divergence in the humanoid robotics industry. On one side, you'll have Atlas, and maybe 1 or 2 other serious contenders actually doing real work in factories, warehouses, and industrial facilities. On the other side, you'll have a graveyard of startups that burned through billions of dollars producing robots that looked impressive in controlled demos but couldn't survive contact with reality. The hype cycle in robotics has been brutal, with companies making promises they cut and keep and investors throwing money at anything that vaguely resembles a humanoid form. And whether the machine can actually do the job day after day without constant intervention. Atlas is proving it can meet these requirements right now, not in some theoretical future. Boston Dynamics just released footage of Atlas working autonomously for extended periods, handling variations in tasks, recovering from errors, and most importantly, doing it all without human intervention. This isn't a carefully edited highlight reel. This is a robot that's ready for real deployment. The question isn't whether humanoid robots will transform industry. They will. The question is which robots will actually matter, and right now, Atlas is the only one demonstrating practical utility at the level required for serious industrial adoption. Everything else is just noise. Write your opinions and questions down in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for similar robotics content. Then watch the next video that will appear in front of you soon.